Every organization believes it is safe until one quiet night when the systems stop responding. In that moment, it is no longer about whether the attack happened. It is about how ready you are to recover. In the past 2 years, ransomware attacks have increased by more than 95%. Many businesses believe they are protected, but when their defenses are truly tested, most recovery plans collapse within hours. This is why Tsunati created the Cyber Resiliency Workshop. It is a guided, expert-led session that shows organizations how prepared they really are to respond to an attack and recover effectively. In just a few focused hours, Tsunati's specialists lead your team through real-world ransomware simulations, backup integrity checks, and recovery readiness scoring. By the end, you will know exactly where your strengths lie and what needs to be improved. Because true resilience is not luck. It is the result of preparation, awareness, and action. This Halloween, face your fears before they face you. Join the Tsunati Cyber Resiliency Workshop and turn uncertainty into readiness.